We already have an amazing solar setup on our RV. This little product could be the upgrade we were looking for.
With a heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to roll. Can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey free roamers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, and today I'm excited to do a product review. As you know, we will occasionally do a product review on items that we think are actually useful around the camp or that we think you might be interested in. This is no exception. We have been looking for some deployable panels to use with our solar setup and expand our off-grid capability. So our friends at ALLPOWERS reached out and asked if we would like to do a collaboration review on their R1500 Lite solar generator and the star-lapse SE200 deployable solar panel. Of course, we jumped at the chance to do that because these are two items that I think are really helpful, should be a great addition to our kit and extend our off-grid capabilities. So let me get started with an unboxing and I'll show you what we got. Okay, as I said, this is the ALLPOWERS portable power station. It's the model R1500 Lite. It is capable of 1600 watts continuous discharge with a surge capability up to 3200 watts. There's the manual. I'm going to set this aside. Obviously it does contain lithium batteries, so there's a little safety card. It is rechargeable via solar panel, car charger, or AC power. So there's the AC power cord. I'm going to set that aside. There it is. Portable power station. It's about 33 pounds. I've got some USB charging here, C and standard. There is a DC output through the car charger. I've got some 110 volt connections. So there you go. That's the R1500 Lite. Let me get into the star-lapse SE200 deployable solar panel. All right, the panel comes with a connector cable. So there's your standard solar connections. And this one has the, I believe that's also referred to as an Anderson connector. So I'll set that off to the side. The panel itself comes in a nice carrying case, zipper bag. Also included a user guide there. Set that off to review. No shortage of silica gel packets. So you got some nice fold out legs there so you can set these panels on the ground. We'll demonstrate that a little bit later. This is a 200 watt panel. The open circuit voltage is 48.96, and that's not, I'll have to look up the weight. It's not super heavy. Inside there's another pouch inside the pouch so you can put your cables for storage. And Another little pouch on the back there. So all in all, pretty sweet setup. I'm gonna get this set up and charging, and we'll see how long it takes to get up to 100%. Okay, I've just connected the panel to the solar generator, pointed roughly at the sun. I'm getting 135 watts on a 200 watt panel. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so I might try to position those panels a little bit, but as soon as I plugged them in, I mean, it was super quick. So right out of the box, working great. I'm at about 78% charge right now. So I'll let that go until we get charged up to 100%. Now, since it has the standard connectors on the back of the panel, we will also be able to use this deployable panel on our rig. I have an umbilical cord already built so that I can plug in right there. And that'll add to the 2200 watts we have on the roof. So this is going to be a pretty good addition to the roamstead, and I'm excited about it. Not to mention all the things we'll be able to run with that R1500 Lite. Okay, free roamers, I'm here charging up my R1500 Lite portable power station with the 200 watt panel. And as I'm going through the user's manual, I found that there is an app that I can monitor and control the power station with. So I'm gonna get that downloaded, check that out, and see how well that works. All right, free roamers, back with you. So I've had the panel hooked up and charging the power station for hour and a half, couple hours. And as you can see here on my phone, it is at 99% right now. So that AP R1500 Lite from ALLPOWERS is fully charged. And I am going to disconnect the panels and then actually hook that panel up so it can help recharge the rig. I mentioned before that we had an umbilical built so that we could use portable panels in addition to the panels that we have on the roof. And we're going to add this 200 watts to our existing setup, and that should help us charge up a little faster. And then I can position it to capture the sun earlier in the morning and later in the afternoon. Every little bit helps when you're out here boondocking. So there's the umbilical right outside our front compartment. I don't know if you'll be able to see in here or not, but there is 2 wires heading down into there. Red and black. The red is on top, black is on bottom. That's going to take me right to this pigtail. So that converts from the, let me lay this out here, you can see it a little better. I got this pigtail built here. So it's the MC4 connectors to the connector from our umbilical. And I also have a little gender bender here in case those were reversed. If I needed to, you know, put the red, depending on how it was installed. But since our red is on top and black is on bottom, that's exactly how this is set. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's opposite. So I am going to have to use that gender bender. So no problem there. I just take, it just flips it. There, like that. Then I can take my umbilical, plug right in, and that converts to my MC4 connectors. I also have a 40-foot run of cable. That is MC4 on both sides. So now I just got to be careful with this cable, making sure red goes to red, black goes to black. And I'll get that hooked up and show you what it looks like on my app as I'm kicking in power to the rig. Okay, so while I'm disconnecting and getting this reconnected, I'm going to go ahead and reposition this panel so it faces the sun a little better. So back here behind the panel, you can see this is my positive, and that is the just plain red wire. The red with black is hooked up to my negative post.
Gonna get a little star-lapse tonight, huh, honey?
Yeah.
Little moon lapse, star-lapse.
Yeah.
Sean's gonna point it out over our rig where the moon's gonna come up and hopefully get some stars. Now now we're using our ALLPOWERS solar power box, right?
Yep, power station or solar generator, whatever you want to call it.
So that because the GoPro batteries don't last long.
Yeah, it's just going to extend the amount of time I can capture the star-lapse. So
we could go all night
that
if
should
we
be
want
good.
to. Yeah.
All right. So tonight I'm setting up my GoPro to do a star trail shot out over. I'm hoping to get the stars in the sky and see what they look like out here over our rig with the flag and the LED whip and all that. These GoPro batteries don't last all night, but so I'm taking, you can see here, no battery at all in my GoPro. I am going to set the camera up, and I have it plugged into the USB-C of my ALLPOWERS R1500 Lite portable power station. So what that's going to let me do is video all night long. So I'll have a really good star trail shot and see what it looks like here by the lake and get a good shot, hopefully of that sky right there over the rig. And then maybe another night I'll point it over, but I set this up last night. It went from 100%, it powered my GoPro all night, and I'm still at like 96%. So another good use for the ALLPOWERS R1500 Lite portable power station is you can power your GoPro all night for those cool shots you want to set up. Well, free roamers, there you go. With the new ALLPOWERS portable panel, we have just added another 200 watts of solar gathering capability to our rig. Now, I'm looking at this right now on VE Connect. So that's the Bluetooth version. Our panel, the way we're wired up, doesn't show in VRM because there are only so many VE.Connect ports. So when I want to monitor how much we're putting into our system, I just have to use the VE Connect Bluetooth app to connect directly to that controller. And that controller is right there, and you can see the bulk light lit up there. Just want to say thanks again to Charles Tyre and Mark Page at Unplugged RV Solar. Those guys did a great job getting our system updated, and this is the last piece that we've been waiting to test out. Now that we have a portable panel, we can utilize our system to its maximum capability. Now, that's not to say we might not add another portable panel or two just to keep increasing what we can gather from the sun, but for right now, everything is working perfect. So thanks again, RV Unplugged Solar. Charles and Mark, you guys are awesome. Thanks again for all your help, all your advice, and all your knowledge. That is about going to wrap it up for adding the portable panel to our system, and we'll catch up with some more as we use the ALLPOWERS power station and see what all it can do to add to our boondocking kit.
Heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to roll. Can't you see?